everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you feel just fine. And today we'll be checking out the Defender of Doge project. And on the homepage, as we can see, we have a very nice intro, a logo of that project, and the white paper, NFTs, and info, of course. So yeah, little lower you can check the websites on which they have in their profiles on Telegram, for example, Twitter, Instagram, and more, of course. And you can check the roadmap, DEX tools charts, Bitcoin chart, and the tokenomics. Here we have the information that the 63% is home defended, and here you have the currency converter. And for example, let's check the $15, and this is the here you have the amount of BNB. So yeah, let's check the currency rate. Here we have the Binance coin and the amount of Binance coin, and of course the Defender of Doge. Here you can check that. So yeah, and you can connect, of course, with that. You can check the auto, banking V1, banking V2, and auto selected for banking V2, and the slippage from BNB and to DOD. So yeah, you can connect your wallet, of course, and powered but Bitcoin app. So yeah, here we have the timeline. And on December 6, 2030, the Go coin was born. For the first 7 years, Doge lived a happy life, exploring different countries and having great experiences all over the world. So yeah, life for Doge was great. And in early 2020, the Ryoshi had enough. A very angry man would bring something more sinister into Doge's life. A man by the name Ryoshi started to breed a rare evil dog who would soon be known as the Dogecoin Killer. And in August 2020, Shiba was born. Shiba Aka, the Dogecoin Killer, was born. In October 2021, Doge started to fall and become weak. After a hard fight, year, Doge ended up with nowhere to run, exhausted, and with little options left. Doge has pretty much given up the fight and was ready to go into hiding. In November 2021, Diesel learned of the battle. In November of 2021, Diesel Aka, the defender of Doge, learned of the torture Shiba and the wicked Shiba army had unleashed onto Doge and the peaceful Doge community. And here today, in the present day, Dome protected. As the battle continued, Diesel rushed Doge and the Doge community to his fortified command, the Defender Dome. With the help of many, they have been able to keep most of the army contained. This is where the community behind the Defender of Doge comes in. Together, they will continue to build the green walls to surround the dome and keep Doge and all safe. They will not let Shiba win. Help the Defender of Doge protect the dome and save Doge from the evil empire. Yeah, it's a really interesting story, and here you have the video about that project. Of course, you have to watch that. So yeah, let's check the roadmap. And here we have that. Have already done the Diesel alert of attack from Shiba, the Defender Dome created, the Doge moved to Dome, website launch, socials created, pre-sale launch, they listed CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, influencer campaign, and they want to do a contract audit, CEX listing, limited edition NFT release, NFT marketplace, defeat Shiba, and 75% burn. So yeah, and here we have the tokenomics, which means 5% buyback, protection the dome, 5% liquidity, 5% redistribution, and 75 trillion tokens supply. Tokenomics are simple. Every time a buy or sell occurs, there is a 50% tax. The difference between DoD Defender of Doge is that anytime they experience an attack from the evil empire of Shiba, and the buyback wallet will begin to initiate and build back the wall to protect the dome. Not only will the wallet just buy back, but it will burn all of the tokens spent to build back the wallet in return, making DoD stronger and more valuable. Buybacks will be at random with no set time, so the evil army will not know when they are rebuilding. So yeah, and here we have the dome protected, the dome under attack, the buyback initiated, dome secured, and the tokens used for buyback burned. Yeah, and this is all about that project. Of course, check the community, the website, and knew more about that project by checking the roadmap, of course, Dex tools chart, Coin chart, and tokenomics. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and let me know what do you think about that project in comments. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.